Hi, I'm Joseph DeGangi from Artisans Painting and Remodeling. I'm here to make another instructional video on how to set up doors for spraying. The professional way is to use a couple different methods. Here we have a door truss. You can buy these at Sherwin-Williams or J.C. Lick, Benjamin Moore, or online. On the bottom they have these little spikes, but I don't like them because they're not secure. So what I use is 1 5/8" drywall screws. You just have to make sure you flip this upside down so that the spikes are up and put the screw right through the center, right into the center of the door. Don't put the screw too close to the edges. You want to put it about, 1 inch in, right in the center. That way it'll secure the door properly. So I'm going to apply one of these right now. Here I have a rigid compact hammer drill. These are excellent. They have a lifetime warranty. And I really like these mobile scaffolds. So there's two quick methods. Here's my little helper care. There you go. You got that, care? That's the door. Okay, hold the door with your hands. Normally I have a magnetic drill bit. Hold the door with your hands. But today, it's missing, so I have to punch it in by hand. So screw it down tight so you have a secure lock into place. If you have a sliding magnetic drill bit, it helps a lot because the magnetic bit will hold the door in place. Okay, come on, go. So here the doors are rock solid. They have an accordion style so that they support each other. The other method you can use is if you don't have these and you're in a pinch, you can take 5-gallon stir stick from anywhere, Sherwin-Williams. The 5-gallon ones are thicker and longer. Snap it in half. These can go underneath the door or serve as the truss over here. The other thing you can do is if you're tight on space, you can apply one of these 5-gallon stir sticks on the top. You can mask off the wall with plastic if you need to. You put it directly in the center. Just make sure you lock it down so that it's tight, it's not moving. And this way, you can set it up against the wall like this. You can spray one side, you can pick it up like this, turn the door around, and down here, it's angled off the paper so it won't stick to the paper. The other thing you can do is put stir sticks underneath it. But this way you can spray all sides of the door, flip it around, spray the other side. Always make sure you clean the door. These came from the factory dirty. We always sand the edges. You can take sandpaper or a sanding sponge. The edges are usually rough. And if you, beforehand, you can spray the tops and bottoms. You set the doors on their side, you spray the tops and bottoms for the warranty. And you can flip them up when it's dry. If you do this method, you could always paint it afterward if you want. But once you spray the finish, you want it to be a perfect spray finish. So, this is one of my favorite methods too. If we're going to paint the wall behind here, it's not a big deal. But the other thing we can do, would you like to come over here and help me, Karen? Hold the door like this. Okay. Go on this side, hold both sides. Here's my little helper today. Get it back just a little bit. There you go. Hold it right there. So these scaffolds are great. They're adjustable. You can go to different heights on them. Grab my stir stick. I bridge the gap right here. Again, make sure you punch it into the very middle of the door, straight down without an angle. These work just as good. The reason I like these ridges is they have a belt hook. Most modern drills do. Hold the door. Make sure you always pick up your screws so they don't scratch the floor or cause problems later. So you can see this is locked on very tight. Then up here for the round hardware, we'll just take tape over it, take a utility knife, cover it with tape, cut it out with the utility knife so that the sliding ball locking mechanism doesn't get painted or have any impedance. And then, what we do, want to help me over here a little bit more, Karen? Is we'll take these 5-gallon stir sticks, you can come over here if you like. Now we're going to set them underneath the doors on the angles here. So we'll put one here first. This way it's going to elevate the door. The builders here already put down, we had rosin paper plastic and then they put down cardboard on top of it. So we're just going with it, but everything is sealed. Plastic is essential too. So here, I'll elevate the doors. Cardboard's making it a little bit more difficult. But then we go along here and we'll elevate the doors so they're not resting on the cardboard or the rosin paper or the builder's paper. Builder's paper is superior. Here's the two different ones. Rosin paper is moisture resistant, but if you get water on it, it can leave pink stains, so we don't like the rosin paper. This is from the builder. Builder's paper is much better. It's cheaper, and if you're really worried about anything bleeding through, put a layer of plastic down or in between. When we do floors, we usually put builder's paper, plastic sheeting, and then builder's paper on top. It's easy cleanup. Make sure before you spray the doors, you sand them down, you clean them. Take a shop vac and vacuum up any dust. And you take these 5-gallon stir sticks and snap them in half. You can elevate the doors so they're not touching the paper, they're not sticking to the paper. Everything's elevated, and you can just go and spray. I have another video of how I spray 30-some doors. Some are set up like this method, some are set up in the other method. Again, this product, the metal product, I believe it's called door trusses. They're phenomenal. I love them. If you're in a pinch, you can use 5-gallon stir sticks. They're two different methods. They're cheap, they're free, and they're easy to use. You can pick them up at Sherwin-Williams or Benjamin Moore. Again, my name is Joseph DeGangi. I'm the Chicago painter. We offer free estimates. We serve Chicago, Cook, DuPage counties, and the surrounding counties in the Chicagoland area. I believe that's everything I covered. I got one more thing for you here. Here's a couple of my favorite tools when we do spraying. This tool is essential. This is called a 3M hand masker. Hey, you want to come over here? Why don't you show them this? Go on over here. This is, you can get these at Menards or any place. They're very cheap. They're 5-gallon strainers. Always strain your paint before you spray so it doesn't wreck your sprayer or clog your sprayer up. They're about $1 a piece. We always keep these. Here is a 3M hand masker, and it has a straight blade attachment that slides into your plastic roll to cut it off really easily. We usually use blue tape or frog tape that has edge bleed technology so you don't get paint bleeding through. So you just use this product here. Be careful, the blade is very sharp. When you're masking windows and things, they have all different sizes. There's a 6-foot, they have 9-foot, 12-foot, 4-foot. Just make a nice, perfectly straight cut. And it's got a little hook. The hook in your back pocket, you have one for plastic, one for paper on you. They're very effective and very helpful. You could also use them to plastic and mask off rooms if you don't want dust traveling from sanding, or if you don't want overspray from spraying traveling into other rooms. These are essential tools for spraying. Again, my name is Joseph DeGangi from Artisans Painting and Remodeling. We're located in Brookfield, Illinois, and serve the Chicagoland area. Thank you and have a blessed day.